How to save video in CapCut PC. Open your web browser and go to the CapCut website. Once you're on the CapCut website, log into your CapCut account if you haven't already. Then, find the video you want to save and click on it to open it in the CapCut editor. Look at the top right corner of the CapCut interface. You'll see a button labeled Export. Click on it. After clicking on Export, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the Download option. Now, you'll see a box where you can give your video a name. Type in whatever name you want to call your video. You'll see different options for video resolution. Pick the one that suits your needs best. Higher resolution means clearer video but also larger file sizes. Next, choose the quality setting for your video. Higher quality means better looking video but also larger file sizes. Decide on the frame rate for your video. This determines how smooth the motion will look. Common frame rates include 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. CapCut offers various video formats. Select the one that works best for you or the device you plan to watch the video on. Finally, click on the Export button. Now, all you have to do is wait for CapCut to process your video and save it. Depending on the size and complexity of your video, this could take a little bit of time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your video using CapCut on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with CapCut.